We was at a church function the other day, and they had this big old spread, what do you call that when you have a potluck, where everybody brings food, and we're sitting there at the table. Well, a little ways down the table, I overheard this older couple. I mean, they look like they was hillbillies. You know what I mean? Hillbillies. And they said something that just about made me upchuck everything I ate. They said they wash their greens in the washing machine.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Can you imagine that? You're pulling out your socks and your husband's underwear, and then you throw your greens in there to wash them.
Oh, yeah.
I'll tell you what, that'd make a grown man upchuck.